So, good morning, students. This is the last exercise concept. This is important, very, very important 5-mark question concept. Actually, maximum all the problems only 5-mark question. Here. The what is the heading? The conversion of solid from one shape to another is no change in volume. That's very important. Suppose in the form of one sphere is there, because a sphere is there. It's melted and made into small sphere. The sphere is given. How many spheres can be made? Is the question. Here, one sphere is there. The radius is what? 16 centimeter. Now you want to make small sphere. Radius is 2 centimeter. In this way, mean how many small spheres can be made? Is the question. Anyway, the volume will be always equal. That's very important. Volume never change because the bigger size or small size. So many spheres can be made, no? That's why first find volume of the biggest small sphere. Next volume of the small sphere with the radius, some other radius. After finding both the volume, here what is asking? How many sphere? Number of sphere, number of cones. This type of questions asking me. Divide both the volume. Suppose any one of the radius not given. Suppose the equivalent in both the volume, you will find the unknown quantity whether the radius or height this way. In this type of problem, you must find volume. First volume V1, next volume V2. After finding V1 and V2, sum of the problem divide both. Sum of the problem equivalent both. From the last exercise only by using volume formula. You must follow all the volume formula. Definitely one 5-mark question will come from this exercise. This question exercise, all the problem by using only volume formula, about 2 volume formula. That is very important. You must follow all the volume formula. Volume of the cylinder, volume of the hollow cylinder, volume of the cone, volume of the sphere, hemisphere, hollow hemisphere, volume of the cube, volume of the rectangle. In this way, you must follow all the volume formula. Then easy for you. Now, first is this is sphere. This is a small sphere. That's very important. Am I right? The radius is given. Radius what is given? 16 centimeters. It will be R1. Small sphere is what? R1. This is what? 2 centimeters. Am I right? First, we will write the data here. First one, the volume. First volume. Let V1 equal to volume of the sphere. Let V1 equal to volume of the sphere. Am I right? What is the formula? 4 by 3 pi R cube. 4 by 3 pi R is what? 16. 16 into 16 into 16. Am I right? Because R cube. First answer what? Let V2 equal to volume of the small sphere. The small sphere means what is the formula? 4 by 3 R1 cube. That's very important. Am I right? The 4 by 3 pi need not put the pi value because pi value will be cancelled. We can divide both, you know. Need not put pi value. R1 is what 2, you know. 2 into 2 into. Am I right? Now, what is our name? Number of small spheres asking. The number of the small spheres equal to V1 by V2. Divide both the volume. What is the first volume? 4 by 3 pi into 16 into 16 into 16. Am I right? Divided by 4 by 3 pi into 2 into 2 into 2. Am I right? This will both cancel. 1 times 8 times. 1 times 8 times. 1 times 8 times. After 8 are 64 into 8. Again multiply 32 3 5 1 2. By number of small spheres with the 5 volume. This is the answer. Very simple concept. V1 V2 here. The melted, made into, recast into. This word will come in the first sphere. No, that is melted and made into small sphere. First volume, second volume. Divide both, we get the answer. Number of spheres can be made. Number of small spheres can be made. In this way, asking me, divide both the volume, V1 by V2. Sometimes, from the data, the height only asking. The first one is melted. Suppose cone is melted, converted into sphere. The sphere is not given, suppose. Now, equality both the volume, we get the radius of the sphere. Small k, all the letters are given me, divide both the volume. Suppose any one of the data are missing, height asking, radius asking, in this way asking me, equality both the volume, we get the answer. Only two methods. The last exercise, all the problems same method. We first by V1, second by V2, after divide both or equality both. Only these two idea. Only volume formula. This exercise is very important exercise, 5 marks. Now listen here. A cone of height 24 centimeter. That's fine. This is actually cone. Yes, am I right? A cone of height is not. H is equal to 24 centimeter. A cone of 24 centimeter height made up of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of cylinder. But the cone is converted into cylinder. Both volume will be equal. Am I right? The cone is converted cylinder. Cone height is H is what? Height is H is 24. Radius is both will be equal to R. In the form of a cylinder R, same radius of cone. Now here also radius R. That's important. What is asking? Cylinder H is asking. Cylinder is H1 is asking. This is data. This one is given the question. This is very important. Put the box. The height is given. Height is asking. Radius is R. Here also R. What is the reason? Both R will be equal. Now first one. It is V1 equal to volume of cone. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi R square H. 1 by 3 pi R square is what? R square only. H is what? 24. 1 time 8 times. Pi R square into 8. That's all. Don't put the letter pi. It is V2 equal to volume of cylinder. What is the formula? Pi R square H1. Get H1. That's the important. Our assumption here H is 24 means H1 is question mark. The first one is always HR. The next one is always H1R. In this way you want to assume. But your rates will be equal. Am I right? Now, don't put the value because H1 asking R is given. Now, by data, V2 equal to V1. Both the value will be equal. We want H1. That's why I want to put V2 first, then V1 second. Or V1 equal to both the same. But this is asking, that's why I want to write V2 equal to V1 because one quantity is asking, height of the cylinder is asking, radius of the cylinder asking. In this way, any one of the quantity asking me equal to both the volume. Why I am putting V2 equal to V1? Because in V2 only H1 will want we want H1, that's why V2 pi 4 pi R square H1 is equal to pi R square 8. The pi R square cancel. H1 equal to 8. Am I right? 8 centimeter. Therefore, height of the cylinder is equal to 8 centimeter. That's all. Small concept. Only by 2 formula, 2 volume formula. Read the question clearly. Collect the data in the form of box. The write the formula, substitute. Write the formula, substitute. After equal to both the volume, we get the unknown quantity H. H is what? Height of the cylinder H1. Here always only H R. Here R and H1. In this way you want to assume. Mind it. Not both H will be equal. This is H is height of the cone. H1 means height of cylinder. That's why both are not equal. But in the particular problem, radius is only equal. That's why R. Don't put R. Because both will be equal. This one over. Now another question. 7.31. Read the question clearly. A right circular cylindrical container of base radius 6 cm and height is 15 cm is full of ice cream. For example, this cylinder, you know, this is cylinder. The cylindrical container having full of ice cream. Okay? This ice cream, because it's container. This ice cream is distributed to the so many students in the form of cone. This is cone, you know. cornice. This is a cone. Here, this is a cornice. In this way, you want to fill the cone and also hemisphere. Top of the cone, your hemisphere is the same. One scoop, in so many shop or theaters, having ice cream in the form of cone is formed. You fill the ice cream with the cone, in the yellow, the cone, one scoop. That is called hemisphere is the same. Cone ice cream, cone plus hemisphere combined together, that is called cone ice. Am I correct? Yes, because its container is distributed to the so many students in the form of cone. The cone radius is given 8 also given. And the hemisphere radius is also the same radius. Am I correct? Therefore, how many cone ice can be made at distance from this container, this spherical container? There is so many ice cream, no? In ice full of ice cream. The ice cream is distributed to so many students in the form of cone. How many? What is the question? Find the number of cones needed to empty the container. Anyway, from the cylindrical only, ice cream is filled with the cone. Volume of the cylinder will be equal to volume of the cone. That means what? Volume of the cone plus hemisphere. Both will be equal. You will say find out. Am I correct? Volume 1, volume cylinder. Volume 2, volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere combined together is called V2. Now what is our name? Number of. But divide both they can answer. Here all the results given. In cylinder, what is given? Cylinder is what? Radius is 6 cm. Height is what? 50 cm. In cone, height is what? H1 is equal to 9 cm. Radius is what? 3 cm. Hemisphere also the same thing. Is it data? Am I right? Write the data clearly. Now start with the volume of the cylinder. Let V1 equal to volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Pi is pi only. R square 6 into 6 h is 15. That's all. Need not multiply. That V2 equal to volume of cone is. That means volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Cone is in the form of cone plus hemisphere. Formula of function is what is formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h1 is equal to what? Hemisphere no? 2 by 3 pi r1 2. So what is common? 1 by 3 pi and also r1 square is common. Here h1 plus 2r1. Okay. Now substitute here 1 by 3 pi. R1 is what? 3. 3 square 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Here h1 is what? h1 is what? 9 cm. 9. 2 into 3. 1 3 cancel. But 3 pi into 9 plus 6 is 15. Now what is our name? Now number of cones here. Number of cone is equal to V1 by V2. V1 is what? Pi into 6 into 6 is 15. Here 3 into pi into 15. Cancel no? Pi cancel no? 1 by 15. For 12 cone is can be made. This answer. From the cylindrical container is converted into cone means 12 cones need to empty. Only 12. Here cone is mean volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere combined together V2. That's very important. Here you must follow 3 formula. You must use 3 formula. Volume of the cylinder, volume of the cone, volume of the hemisphere. That's why you want to find out question. But this type of problem always volume formula only very easy. You want to find out question. Listen here. Exercise 7.4. First question. An aluminium sphere of radius 12 centimeter is melted to make a cylinder. The first one is sphere, next one is cylinder. The sphere of radius is 12 centimeter. That's all. The sphere is only radius, no height. Next one cylinder of radius R only 8 centimeter. height is asking, let it be h1. I'm going to tell you, a without suffix 1 1. A with suffix 1 1. That's very important. Now the first one is volume of sphere. What is the formula for volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is what you know? 12 into 12 into 12. Okay? 1 3 cancel. Now need not multiply 4 pi into 4 into 12 into 12. That's all. Need not multiply. Next one is what? B2 equal to volume of the cylinder. What is the formula? Pi r square is the formula. But here our assumption is what? R1 h1. Pi r square. R square is 8. 8 into 8. Into that's what is for section only. That is asking. Okay? Now by data, height is asking, no? B1 equal to B2 is the data. Equality both the volume. B1 equal to B2 or B2 equal to both the same. Because B2 is what? In what is 8 into pi into 8 into h1. You want h1. Pi into 8 into 8 into h1 equal here 4 pi into 4 into 12 into 12. Am I right? 1 pi cancel. Now h1 is equal to 4 into 4, 6, 1 into 12 by 8 into 8. Am I right? 1 time, 4 times. 1 time, 4 times. Am I right? Again, this 1 time, 6 times. 1 time, 6 times. 6 is 36. Therefore, height of the cylinder is 36 centimeter. That's very important. You centimeter by centimeter. Meter is meter. Millimeter, millimeter. That's very important. These are questions clearly all are centimeter. That's very important. You want centimeter, millimeter, not to use this idea. Centimeter equal, millimeter equal mean you will convert it into both will be equal weight. A centimeter, a millimeter. That means what? The millimeter is converted to centimeter or centimeter is converted to millimeter. Assume, no problem. But all should be same. That's very important. So the paper said. Now listen here. Water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour through a cylindrical of diameter 14 centimeter. Rectangle this is 50 meter. North is 44 meter. Find the time that is asking. Find the time that is asking. Tank will be raised by 21 centimeter. That's the height. First, rectangular tank. A cylindrical pipe. Okay? The first one is cylindrical tank. No? Length is 50 centimeter. Or 50 meter, not centimeter, a meter. Here also meter. About 50 meter. Breadth is what? 44 meter. Height is what? 21. The tank level of water rise is 80. 21 centimeter. This can be as 21 by 100 meter. That's very important. Divided by 10. That's meter. The cylindrical tank radius is equal to the diameter is given. Am I right? Water is flowing. The water is flowing always through cylindrical pipe. The pipe always in the form of cylindrical pipe. R1, R equal to 14 centimeter diameter, divided by 2 for 7 centimeter. Here big, all meter. Here also 7 by 100 meter. Okay? Then height means rate of h1. Am I right? h1 rate of water. What is that? Rate of 50. Rate of 15 kilometer per hour. So 15 kilometer is converted to meter. 15 into 1000. The kilometer is converted to meter per hour. Therefore, 1500 meter per hour. For the data, you want to know. First one is the volume of cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank is equal to what is the formula? This is cylindrical tank, a rectangular tank. That means formula is length into breadth into this. L is what? 50, 44, here 21 is okay? Now, 1 0 cancel. Am I right? Am I right? After the cancellation, 44, 25 times. Again, gets 2 times. Am I right? 1 time, 22 times. 22 into 21, that is 462. Actually, this is 82. Am I right? Next volume 2 equal to volume of cylindrical pipe. What is the formula? Pi R1 square H1 22 is 7. Here no pi value. Suppose pi involved means need not put the pi value there. Pi here also pi cancel. But here no pi value. Pi is not involved. Here pi involved put the value for pi. R1 square 7 by 100. The 7 by 100 into 1500. So 50,000. Okay. 7 cancel. 0 cancel. Alright. After the cancellation, 22 into 7 into 50, 5 is there. Let I multiply 22 into 2 times, 5 times, 11 times, 5 times, 3 times. Now 11 into 121. Let I multiply 231. Am I right? Now what is asking? Time taken is asking. Time taken is equal to all are given on. That's why divide both. So 462 first one, next one 231. Divide 2. This is hour. This is important. We are kilometer per hour. Our time taken to complete the water or empty the water is 2 hours. What cylindrical pipe is there? Through the cylindrical pipe, water is going to fill the rectangular tank or from the rectangular tank, water is removing outside through the cylindrical pipe. After 2 hours, that will be empty. This is the concept. Both the volume, after finding volume, you can equally both. And also here, all are meeting only no problem. Because centimeter is given. That's why convert it into meter. Here also diameter is given, centimeter is given. Diameter divided by 2. And again, after again, divided by 100 meter. And the rate of 15 km per hour, the kilometer is converted to meter with multiple 1000. Our kilometer is converted to meter. All are converted to meter. After divide both, we get the answer in hour is given. So the answer is hour. Suppose kilometer per minute given to minute is the answer. Kilometer per second given is second is the answer. But here by thought, hour is given, that's hour is the answer. Here also by using 2 times volume, the divide both we get the answer. But some extra conversion term is there. Conversion. The value is centimeters converted to meter, kilometers converted to meter, all are converted to meter. That is extra output. That's all.